Hi, I'm Max with National Ramp. We're extremely excited to introduce our new and revolutionary three-fold portable ramps from our Freedom series. We've engineered these ramps to be the most versatile and safest ramps on the market. So much so that we've won both the HME Business and Mobility Management New Product Awards. And in this video, we're going to demonstrate and highlight all the key features that our new Freedom series ramps have to offer. Our Freedom folding ramps come in three sizes, an 8-foot, a 10-foot, and a 12-foot. They all feature our innovative three-fold system, and they're all made of the same high-quality, no-bounce, lightweight aluminum as our modular ramps. All three have an 800-pound weight capacity, and they come with a milled, textured, non-slip surface. Our ramps include built-in durable wheels and a comfortable hand grip for easy transport. These folding ramps have a complete tool-free operation for easy assembly and disassembly. Our Freedom folded ramps are 30 inches wide, and they all include an articulating bottom transition plate. And to top it all off, all of our ramps are made right here in America. Our ramps can be easily transported by one person, thanks to our innovative folding system, comfortable hand grip, and durable wheels. These ramps are so user-friendly, you can even fit them into a small car all by yourself. Other ramps on the market do not fold up easily and can be difficult to carry. These ramps also do not fit in most size vehicles. Safety is our top priority. That's why our Freedom folding ramps were specifically designed to be as solid and safe as our modular ramps. Please watch as two National Ramp team members use our ramp at the same time. Now let's watch those same reps go up and down our competitor's ramp. As you can see, other ramps on the market flex easily and wobble heavily while in use, unlike our Freedom folding ramps. Our folding ramps have a 3.5-inch curb to ensure maximum safety. Unlike our competitor's ramp, where there's little curb protection, this can lead to a user falling off the side and possibly getting injured. Our textured, high-traction, non-slip surface is milled right into the aluminum. Other ramps use a sandpaper veneer, which can be susceptible to peeling. We've designed our folding ramps to separate into three pieces and provide a complete tool-free operation. As you can see, our new three-fold portable ramp systems are revolutionary to the accessibility industry. We're not only setting a new standard for strength and portability, but also providing the safety that your clients need. Call your National Ramp account manager today to place an order for these amazing new ramp systems.